So this next thing we're going to do is going to work on snoring. And this, to me, this is a new routine that I've been working on for about a year. And it's actually a lot of fun. If you got grandkids, not that they're snoring, but some kids do snore. But this is just fun. It's like a fun game to play with small children. So we're gonna start this with nasal breathing, and it doesn't matter which hand you use to plug your nose, your nasal passages. So this is we're gonna alternate between nostrils, nostril breathing. So we're gonna start. If you're mirroring me, you've got your left thumb on your left nostril, so your right nostril is open. Take a nice deep inhale through that nostril, and then you're going to plug it with the left index finger, and then breathe out through the left nostril. Breathe in through the left nostril. Plug it with the thumb. Exhale out through the right nostril. Inhale through the right nostril. Plug it. Exhale through the left nostril. Inhale through the left nostril. So let's just do this on our own. One more time. Exhaling out, then inhaling up, and then come to surrender hands. You're going to want to do that for about 2 minutes. It may take as much as 5 minutes for the nostrils to be totally clear. This is part of no snoring. No snoring. Your significant other is getting ready to hop into bed, and you want them to do this, and you're going to have your watch or